Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Fluento, everyday English for real life. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. We're very happy you're here with us today.
Hi, David.
Hey, Anna, you okay?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm sitting here thinking about next month.
What's next month?
My sister's wedding in Dublin.
Oh, that's wonderful. You must be excited.
I am, but also I keep thinking about the airport, the flight, all the English I need to use.
Ah, you're worried about the English part.
Yeah, I speak okay, but airports feel fast. Everyone's busy. What if I don't understand something important?
That's a really normal feeling, Anna. A lot of people feel that way.
Really?
Absolutely. Airports can feel overwhelming even for native speakers sometimes. There's noise, announcements, people rushing. It's okay to feel nervous.
Okay, that helps a little.
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
What's the part that worries you most?
I think when people ask me questions, like the security people or the person at the desk, what if they speak too fast?
Good question. Let's think about that. What if someone speaks too fast and you don't understand?
I don't know. I freeze, maybe?
You know what you can say?
What?
Sorry, could you say that again, please?
That's it?
That's it. Or even simpler, sorry, one more time.
One more time. I can remember that.
And here's the thing, Anna. They hear that every single day. People ask them to repeat things all the time. It's completely normal.
I never thought about that.
They're used to it. And most people at airports, they want to help you. That's their job.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Good. So tell me, when you imagine yourself at the airport, where are you? What do you see?
I'm standing there with my bag, a big one. I don't know where to go first.
All right. You walk in, you have your bag. What do you need to do with that bag?
I need to give it to someone?
Exactly. You need to check it in. Do you know what check-in means?
Kind of. It means they take my big bag?
Yes, perfect. You give them your big bag and they put it on the plane for you. Then you see it again when you arrive.
Where do I do that?
You look for your airline. You know which airline you're flying with?
Yes, Aer Lingus.
Okay, so you look for the Aer Lingus desk. There will be signs, big signs, hanging from the ceiling.
What if I can't find it?
You ask someone. You can say, "Excuse me, where is check-in for Aer Lingus?"
Where is check-in for Aer Lingus?
And they'll point you in the right direction. Sometimes they'll even walk with you.
Really?
Yeah, people are kind, Anna, especially when they see you're trying.
That's nice.
So, you find the desk. There's a person there. They might say, "Hello, can I have your passport, please?"
My passport. Okay. I give them my passport.
And maybe they ask, "Are you checking a bag today?"
Yes, I have one bag.
So you say, "Yes, one bag."
Yes, one bag. That's easy.
See? It's not complicated, just simple answers. They're not testing you, they're just doing their job.
Right. Okay. What happens next?
They might weigh your bag, put it on a scale, and then they'll give you a boarding pass. Do you know what a boarding pass is?
Is it like my ticket for the plane?
Exactly. It has your seat number on it and the gate number. The gate is where you go to get on the plane.
Gate number, seat number. Okay.
Sometimes they ask, "Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?"
Window or aisle?
Window is next to the window. You can see outside. Aisle is next to the walkway. Easier to get up if you need the bathroom.
I think I want the window.
Then you just say, "Window, please."
Simple.
Very simple. Now, Anna, here's something important. What if they ask you something and you have no idea what they said?
I feel embarrassed just thinking about it.
Don't be. Listen, if you don't understand, you can say, "I'm sorry, I don't understand. Could you explain?"
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Yes, or even just, "Sorry," with a confused face. They'll say it differently.
What if I say the wrong thing?
Then they'll help you say the right thing. Anna, mistakes are part of learning, and honestly, at the airport, everyone just wants you to get to your plane safely. They're not judging your English.
I needed to hear that.
I know. Okay, so you have your boarding pass. What's next?
Security?
Yes, security. That's the part where they check your bags and you walk through the scanner.
That part makes me nervous too.
Why?
I don't know what they're going to ask me to do.
Okay, usually they'll tell you to put your bag on the belt, the moving belt, and take things out of your pockets.
Like my phone?
Phone, keys, coins, anything metal. You put it all in a little tray.
A tray. Okay.
Sometimes they say, please remove your jacket. That means take off your jacket.
Remove means take off.
Yes, and if you have a laptop or a tablet, you might need to take it out of your bag.
Why?
They need to see it clearly on the scanner. But here's the thing, Anna. If you forget, they'll just remind you. They'll say, can you take out your laptop, please?
And then I just do it?
Exactly, no problem. You take it out, put it in another tray, and you're done.
What if the machine beeps when I walk through?
Then they'll ask you to try again. Maybe you forgot something metal, a belt maybe, or a watch.
That happened to my friend once. She was so scared.
But nothing bad happened, right?
No, they just checked her again, and she went through.
Exactly. It's not a big deal. They just need to make sure everyone is safe.
Okay, so I get through security. Then what?
Then you look for your gate. How do you find it? Look at your boarding pass. It will say something like Gate 12 or Gate B7.
And then I walk there?
Yes, follow the signs. There are always signs with arrows pointing to the gates.
What if I get lost?
You ask, excuse me, where is Gate 12? People will help you.
I'm starting to notice something here.
What pattern?
I'm saying when I don't know something, I just ask.
Exactly. That's the secret, Anna. You don't need to know everything, you just need to know how to ask for help.
That feels much easier.
It is easier, and your English is good enough to ask for help. Trust me.
Thanks, David.
Of course. So, you find your gate. Maybe you have some time before boarding. What do?
I don't know. Wait.
You can wait, yeah. You can sit down, get a coffee, read a book. Just relax.
What if they call my flight and I don't hear it?
They'll make an announcement. They'll say something like, now boarding flight EI 392 to Dublin. But also, look at the screens. There are screens everywhere showing flight information.
What should I look for?
Your flight number, and it will say if it's boarding or delayed or on time.
Delayed means late?
Yes, if the plane is delayed, it means it's not leaving at the scheduled time. You have to wait longer.
That would be frustrating.
It is, but it happens sometimes. Weather, technical issues, it's normal.
Okay, so I see my flight is boarding. I go to the gate. Then what?
They'll check your boarding pass. You show it to them, they scan it, and you walk onto the plane.
Do I say anything?
You can say thank you or just smile. That's enough.
And then I find my seat?
Yes, look at your boarding pass. It will say something like 15C. That's your seat number.
How do I know where that is?
The rows are numbered, 1, 2, 3, all the way to the back, and the letters are the seats in each row. A is usually the window, C is usually the aisle.
So 15C is row 15, aisle seat.
Exactly, you're getting it.
What if someone is sitting in my seat?
You politely say, excuse me, I think this is my seat, 15C.
And they'll move?
Usually yes. Maybe they made a mistake, or maybe they'll check their boarding pass and realize they're in the wrong row.
Okay, I can do that.
I know you can. So you sit down, put your bag under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment.
Overhead compartment.
The bins above your head, where people put their bags.
Oh, right. I've seen those.
Then you buckle your seatbelt and wait for takeoff.
This all sounds so normal when you explain it.
It is normal. Millions of people do this every day. You're not doing anything strange or difficult.
I think I've been building it up in my head.
That's what anxiety does. It makes things feel bigger than they are. But when you break it down step by step, it's just a series of small, simple actions.
You're right.
Anna, can I tell you something?
Sure.
You don't need perfect English to travel. You really don't.
No?
No, you need to be clear, you need to be polite, and you need to ask when you don't understand. That's it.
That's it?
That's it. The people working at the airport, they're professionals. They've seen thousands of travelers. They know how to communicate with people who speak different languages.
So they're used to it.
Completely used to it. And honestly, if you smile and you try, people are so patient.
Even if I make mistakes?
Even if you make mistakes, especially if you make mistakes, because it shows you're trying.
I never thought about it that way.
Let me ask you this. If someone came up to you and tried to speak your language, but they made mistakes, would you be annoyed?
No, I'd think it was sweet. I'd want to help them.
Exactly. That's how most people feel. We appreciate effort.
You're making me feel so much better.
Good. That's the goal. Now, let's imagine one more thing.
Okay.
You're on the plane. You're flying. A flight attendant comes by and says, "Would you like something to drink?"
I say, water, please.
Perfect. See? You already know what to do.
What if they offer me something I don't understand?
Like what?
I don't know, some kind of drink I've never heard of.
Then you say, "What is that?" Or, "I'll just have water, thank you."
Simple.
Always simple. You don't have to understand every single word. You just need to communicate your needs.
My needs. I can do that.
You absolutely can. And Anna, one more thing.
What?
If you feel overwhelmed at any point, just take a breath. Slow down. It's okay to pause.
Take a breath.
Yes, you're allowed to take your time. You're allowed to think. No one is rushing you, even if it feels that way.
I think that's what I needed to hear most.
I'm glad. So, are you feeling a little better about this trip?
Yeah, I really am. I think I was scared because I didn't know what to expect, but now it feels manageable.
It is manageable. And you know what? You're going to be great.
You think so?
I know so. You're going to get on that plane, you're going to fly to Dublin, and you're going to celebrate your sister's wedding. And your English is going to be just fine.
Thank you, David. Seriously.
Anytime. And hey, when you get back, you have to tell me how it went.
I will. Maybe I'll even feel proud of myself.
You should. Traveling is brave. Doing it in another language is even braver.
I don't feel very brave right now.
But you are. You're facing your fear. You're preparing. You're asking questions. That's what brave people do.
I guess you're right.
I am right. Now, do you want to practice a few phrases one more time?
Yes, please.
Okay. What do you say if you don't understand something?
Sorry, could you say that again?
Good. What do you say if you're lost?
Excuse me, where is gate 12? Or whatever gate.
Perfect. What do you say when someone helps you?
Thank you.
And what do you remember if you feel nervous?
Take a breath. It's okay to take my time.
Exactly. You've got this, Anna.
I've got this.
You really do. And you know what? All those people you're going to meet at the airport, the ones checking you in, the security staff, the flight attendants, they want you to have a good trip. They're on your side.
I like thinking about it that way.
It's true. So be kind to yourself. Smile. Ask when you need to, and trust that your English is enough.
My English is enough.
It is. It really is.
David, can I tell you something?
Of course.
I think the hardest part isn't the English. It's believing that I can do it.
That's really insightful, Anna. And you're right. Confidence is a big part of it.
How do I get more confident?
By doing it, by trying, and by reminding yourself that everyone starts somewhere. Every person who travels confidently now was once a first-time traveler who felt nervous.
Everyone?
Everyone. We all have a first time for everything.
That's comforting.
It should be. You're not alone in this feeling, and every time you travel, it gets a little easier.
I hope so.
It will, I promise. So, next month, you're going to walk into that airport, you're going to check in, you're going to go through security, you're going to find your date, you're going to board the plane, and you're going to do it all in English.
And I'm going to be okay?
You're going to be more than okay. You're going to be amazing.
Thank you, David. I mean it.
You're so welcome. Now go enjoy that wedding. And don't worry about the English. Just enjoy the journey.
I will. I really will.
Good. And hey, everyone listening, if you're feeling the same way Anna was feeling, I want you to know something. You can do this too. You don't need perfect English. You don't need to know every word. You just need to try. You need to be kind to yourself. And you need to remember that asking for help is not a weakness. It's smart. It's practical. It's how we all learn. So next time you travel, take a deep breath, smile, and trust yourself. Your English is enough. You are enough. And we believe in you. If this conversation helped you today, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment. Tell us where you're traveling to. Tell us what you're nervous about. We read every single comment, and we're here to support you. And if you want more conversations like this, more real-life English that helps you feel calm and ready, please subscribe. We make these videos for you, to help you feel confident, to help you feel capable, because you are. Okay, Anna, I think we're done here.
Yeah, I feel ready now.
You are ready. Go have an amazing time.
I will. Thanks again, David.
Anytime, Anna. Safe travels.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. And remember, you've got this.